Whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial construction, an efficient procurement program is essential to achieve solid profits in a construction project. We're going to explain in further detail, but generally speaking, the goal of the contractor's procurement plan is to purchase the highest quality materials at the right quantity, time, and price. What exactly is procurement? What is procurement? Procurement is the process of securing products and services needed to complete a construction project on time and within budget. The typical procurement process involves, number 1, identifying the project's requirements. Number 2, evaluating supplier options. Number 3, choosing the best choice among competing suppliers. Number 4, negotiating and signing contracts with suppliers. Number 5, material delivery. And number 6, maintaining good relationships with all parties involved in the procurement process. What happens if you don't have a reliable procurement process in place? The most common consequences include overpaying for material, purchasing the wrong materials, excess ordering of materials, materials arriving late to the project, and failure to track materials may result in price fluctuations. For these reasons, you sure don't want to neglect material procurement on any of your projects. Procurement responsibilities. Most contractors rely on a procurement manager to handle all procurement matters. Whether it's a single person or team, the procurement manager oversees logistics, including budgets, purchases, bidding, and schedules. The specific responsibilities of a procurement manager include project supervision. In addition to acquiring materials and services, procurement managers may also be responsible for contract management, change orders, submittals, evaluations, and overall project performance. Deadlines and resource management. It's crucial that the contracting team has what it needs to avoid delays in construction. For that reason, procurement managers must carefully create schedules for both materials and teammates. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com